Hey there guys, so if you're looking to the best Bible study websites that you can get right now, I want to share with you like important ones in really quick and effective video. So the first one that is very good is best for BibleGateway.com. Now this is the best for comparing translations side by side. You can compare up to like 5 translations at once on desktop with a huge selection of English and Spanish translations. So it's got like clean and easy layout. So I can come here, available version, and you're gonna find right here plenty of versions. So for example, like English, and you select here Genesis 1, and then you're gonna have like the study Bibles, encyclopedias, dictionaries, like a lot of things that you can like look here and read. So this is a great study guide. Also another one, very important, biblia.com. So best for free study Bible experience. Comes with the 56 free Bibles and 56 other resources, including the Faithful Study Bible with embedded infographics, photos, and videos. So right here, this is like another one that you can actually like check out for yourself. And then you're gonna have like libraries here. So biblia.com is also interesting. Then also another one is blueletterbible.org. So this is also interesting one because this is the best for deep word studies and features an interlinear tool for Greek Hebrew word study using strong numbering system. Also it got like Vine's expository dictionary, so for free, and got like commentaries, cross references, and Bible dictionaries. So this is something that you can actually check out for yourself, and it's like pretty complex. So the Blue Letter Bible is also a great way to go. And the last one, another one that you can actually check out is BibleHub.com. So with the BibleHub.com, also great site, extremely robust with atlases, Greek, Hebrew word studies, and extensive translations, comparisons. So it got great verse by verse layout when comparing two translations, and shows a huge number of translations when looking at single verse. So let's say I can come here and have like atlas here, and you can like search. So we can have like Abarim, and you can like study, right? So there's like area map, and you can go like regional map. So that's like very good. And I can go back here and I can click here for the commentaries, and you can find plenty of commentaries, and you can like study and study. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, what you can actually like expect and what are some great tools. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.